Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back again my YouTube channel. How are you guys? Hope you will be fine. You will see this stylish and amazing new cross stitch heart embroidery designs ideas for my channel. Latest and stylish new heart cross stitch hand embroidery designs ideas for my channel. So please guys subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, you will get notifications of all my videos. And you will never miss any video, any collections. New cross stitch and embroidery designs ideas. New cross stitch hand embroidery designs and different cross stitch hand embroidery designs ideas for my channel. All cross stitch hand embroidery designs ideas for my channel. So please guys subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, you will get notifications of all my videos. And you will never miss any video, any collections. New cross stitch hand embroidery designs. Stylish new cross stitch hand embroidery designs ideas in different colors and different color contrast cross stitch embroidery designs ideas for my channel. All cross stitch hand embroidery designs, different styles and latest and unique. All cross stitch hand embroidery designs ideas for my channel. New cross stitch hand embroidery designs in different styles, different cross stitch hand embroidery designs ideas for my channel. Latest and stylish new cross stitch hand embroidery designs. New cross stitch and embroidery designs ideas, different styles and different new embroidery designs and all border designs ideas for my channel. Till the next video guys, and for watching my videos, and you will never miss any video, any collections. See you soon guys.